Even the large, Fortune 50 companies, they have stuff that's distributed all throughout that aren't connected to anything. So what we can do for them is go in and directly connect to those assets and stream the data from those assets directly to their Pi infrastructure. What Pi then enables them to do is correlate the data from the previously unconnected assets plus this stuff that's already coming through the SCADA layer or the control layer. Pi acts as that aggregation point so that then you can have a pervasive view of everything in your domain. On our edge devices, we have the ability to store and archive the data and also present local visualization. You can imagine an operator that's driving in a truck, comes out to the site. They may or may not even have cell service on their cell phone. So they don't have the ability really to go back to the cloud and get data to understand how that asset's performing. So this secondary network, because we have a local archive and local visualization, would enable that operator to look right at that asset, at the wind farm, out at the oil wellhead, whatever, and be able to see the real-time data and historical data. Meanwhile, the data is also coming back to the Pi system so that we can do more fleet-wide, wide area types of analytics and things like that. Pi with OMF and AF is really valuable to us to auto-populate Pi and create the model at the fleet level. Once it's in Pi, I've got this fleet-wide view, and there's no tool better than using a Pi system to look across hundreds of assets and being able to drill into an asset and figure out what's going on, do visualizations and analytics. I think the third thing that's really valuable for us with Pi is then the integrators coming out of Pi. So if I want to embed into my service, say, geospatial context, I can now light up an Esri environment. Then I can also give a geospatial context to these assets to the milling guy, right? So now we can go out very quickly, like in a day, deploy a sensor pattern, put a gateway on there, create connectivity, and pretty instantaneously light up assets and present them into the Pi system. That's time to value is incredible when you can do that.